Roy, you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, we're rolling.
I think we got enough of Jake trying.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna really start it. Meat Wad's dolls. This is Dave's yard. There's Dave. Oh man, we missed
Choked on that one.
We missed Dewey. Let's do it one more time, Roy.
For posterity, my yard of the month.
It's good compost.
Damn it. Friggin'.
I know, paper never does what you want it to. You know what, you gotta jam on it fast because it starts to blow away.
Stand up.
Do like 10 potatoes.
Yeah, put a bunch of potatoes in.
Yeah.
Put a bunch of shit in there.
All right, Roy, here comes the big one. It's like everything we can get a hold of. This is me. This is my coffee. Okay.
Too much.
Here we go, Roy.
Watch out. Blow out your microphone.